Okay, fish these wires in there, starting from the long ones, obviously. Just gonna slip that on in there. Like that. That's why you got to make sure it fits. Now this was the box. Remember, this was the box that we removed. That's why I didn't want to try to cut too much more at the top or bottom, but because I didn't cut that from scratch, it's barely covering. You can see. You pull those wires through there like that. And these ears need to catch. Now I got a little bit more room at the bottom, so I'm going to try to raise that box up just a little bit. I'm going to tighten down those screws. You remember with the cut-in box, this flap, this ear pops up, so you have to make sure you've got enough clearance back here for your sheetrock wall thickness. So once I'm in there and I get ready to tighten that screw, the first thing that happens, doink, that pops up there. Then it stops. Now I can start tightening the screw. As I tighten the screw, it slides right towards the back side of the sheetrock, and then it tightens up. Same thing at the bottom. I put that on there, doink, like that, and then I tighten it up. Okay, so that's what I did. That's what I did with this box here. I tightened that, that went up, and I got that nice and straight, okay? And I tighten this up snug. You just want to do it snug, not too tight, especially here. My tab is just barely covering. You know, I could loosen this up a little bit and maybe try to lift that side up. I don't want to do it too much. That's why you don't want to cut your box too big, and if you get it just a hair too big, you can split the difference on there. Make it snug. This one's fine, that's fine, that's fine. I don't think anything's going to happen. And because this is plastic, you don't want to tighten these up so tight. You go too much and then this starts puckering out, and if you don't watch it, you'll suck the box right into the wall. Okay,